Hello, I'm Spenta and I love cooking. Today I got my hands on some fresh grape leaves and it gave me an idea to go ahead and make some yummy dolmes. Here they are, grapevines, as you can see, delicious. That is what I put inside of my meal, and I'll go ahead and tell you what I did and how I made this. So the first step is to get your hands on some fresh grape leaves. You want to wash them, and after you rinse them off, you would like to put them here and go ahead and steam them on a steamer. After about 15 minutes of steaming them on low heat, you're going to take them and let them sit for about 25 to 30 minutes in order to make them a little bit less hot so that you can use what you've prepared to go inside of your dolme to be on the same heat temperature. You want them to be on the same heat level, if that makes sense. So this is cooled down a bit. Once this is cooled down, you want to go ahead and take your ingredients that you mixed up and separately made. So what I did is I cooked rice, lentils, cilantro, parsley, and I added turmeric powder with this, some meat, and I also added some onion to it. So what you want to do is you want to make sure that your stuffing, what you're going to stuff your leaves with, or even if you are making dolme with peppers, what you want to do is you want to make sure your inside ingredient is ready to go. So this also has some paprika and black pepper to it. If you are not interested in paprika or black pepper, then don't add some to your prepared stuffing mix. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what it looks like now after I have already prepared it and added some stuffing into this. As you can see what it looks like. I'm not going to go ahead and touch it. I actually used gloves to make this, and that is good food handling, and that is what I did, use gloves to make it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add some lime juice and lemon juice on top of this. You want to add definitely fresh lime and lemon juice, parsley on top of this. It'll be so aromatic. Simmer it on low for about 15 to 30 minutes and it will be ready. And that is how you make grape leaves with fresh vines, like here, right off the vine. This is how you make it. I'm Spenta. I thank you for watching my share. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and like button. Your comments are greatly appreciated. I wish you a beautiful day and happy eating.